Stewy, Emery, Robin, and Mark are on the Prima in Marseille, France, for day 7 of our Rome to Barcelona cruise. Our shore excursion today is the NCL Avignon and Aix Provence tour. Our ship docked at the Marseille Cruise Port, and we boarded buses bright and early for our all-day excursion. This tour was a fast-paced guided walking tour with lots of free time to explore on our own. In Aix en Provence, we enjoyed the chilly air, beautiful fall colors, and the first booths being set up for the Christmas market. In Avignon, we got lost exploring on our own, but wound up stumbling upon a wonderful 3-day event held in an ancient church. We're so glad we didn't miss it. Join us today on our adventure as we explore Aix en Provence and Avignon, France.
Okay, Stewy and Emery are in
Aix en Provence.
And this is a bucket list for Stewy, right?
Yeah, my mother's side of our family is from Aix en Provence.
So here we are, and we wound up having a wonderful sunny day.
Yes.
Which is nice.
And our tour guide is Mary, and she's very funny.
She was born and raised in
Marseille,
which was the port that we docked at today.
Right.
But yeah, we lucked out. Yesterday it was very rainy and drizzly. We couldn't use up the cameras a lot. Today
it's perfect. She said it's been raining for 2 weeks, and this is the first nice day, so we're very lucky.
Very lucky.
If you're asking yourself, yes, it's problem. Please don't problem. Yes, you can have it. And if you're not friend, it's most of the time.
Useless to keep, restoring the thing. We need to let it fade out. Hello.
Farmer's Market. Oh, wait, our group is going. So they're leaving us. Hey, look, here's the perfume where we were yesterday. Right there. Is that Jennifer Lopez? Yeah. Is that Jennifer Lopez?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
The beginning of the Christmas market here, because it is mid-November now.
Right.
And it's chilly and the leaves are turning yellow and falling off, and we're gonna
try one of these.
One of these.
Only 10.
It's €5 for each one. So there's Stewy. The Christmas markets are just now opening up here, as you can see, on the left side. They're getting ready. They're putting up all the Christmas decorations around town here in Aix en Provence, right? And we just bought one of these rolls or whatever it is.
Pastry.
It's literally frozen pretty much.
Kind of frozen.
Kind of frozen. So we're going to keep it till it thaws out later. But it was good.
It's very good.
Very good.
Can't go wrong with French pastry in France.
No.
And everything. And the area that connects you to this shopping area. And the shopping area, you cannot miss it. You begin with ice cream, and you keep going with chocolate biscuit, and then you have clothes. The first food. Now you know what we prefer, like food.
Look at these traffic lights. Very interesting. I think so.
Cute little place to get little stuff.
Another coffee.
So the shot of Joe and I sitting outside, right there. There's like a huge square, but I have no idea where it is.
I wish they had maps.
Yeah.
You know, like you go to Mykonos and stuff, they have big maps.
Yeah.
You are here. This is kind of a cool street though. Let's
Yeah,
if we
there's
go down
a
that
church
way.
right there.
Yeah. Well, in typical Stewy and Emery fashion, we've stumbled onto what we think could be something interesting. The gastronomical weekend, they called it. But look at this church. Oh, look, they're just kicking it off right now.
How pretty.
This is very cool, actually. I mean, in the church.
Use it on church.
Yes. Wonderful. Beautiful.
I have a hat on, I'm not sure it'll
Well,
fit.
just take your hat off.
You want to try rosé
I
first?
might want to try red right now.
Oh, so let's try red right
I like rosé
You want
and
to try-
red.
You can try a lot
Okay.
of wine. You can try all if you want.
Okay.
And for you, domaine de fond de Courte Dune. It's in Courtaisan. Courtaisan is close to Châteauneuf-du-Pape. And it's Syrah, Mourvèdre, and Grenache.
She's trying the red, and
Let's see
I'm
how
trying
it is.
the rosé right here. It's good. How is it?
Delicious.
Delicious.
It's delicious.
These are radishes from Avignon.
From Avignon, yes. From Barthelas Island, in the Rhône Island. We have one producer, and he makes a lot of vegetables and fruit. And he have a stand here, just here, and he make radish.
Which is the most radish? This one? I'll try it.
Try
That
this.
one? Oh, okay.
Try all if you want.
This one's delicious.
Try all if you want.
Try this one.
Are you
Yeah.
okay? Can we put you on YouTube?
Yeah, no problem.
Tell us your name.
Mladen. My name is Mladen. I am director of syndicate of producer from Bocuse Wine, IGP.
No, it's nougat, but they make it. He's a farmer and he makes it. This one's with coffee and almonds.
Oh, okay.
You want to say something?
Sure.
Oh, it's delicious.
Which one?
What she had.
Ah,
Delicious.
But what is it, candy?
it's nougat.
Nougat.
Typical from Provence.
This is delicious, this one.
Wow.
The coffee?
Yeah. We need some of that.
I think so. How many
Mark.
should I get?
Yeah.
Try this coffee nougat. It's
It's with
really
coffee.
good.
It's delicious.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Cafe.
It's really good.
Nougat is made here
Yeah.
with our own honey and our own almond. You want to taste something? The same or something else?
This is the coffee one. Yeah, I'm gonna get some of these.
Yeah, that's really good. Postcards from Stewy.
This with this.
Yeah.
And here you are.
And here we
in
are.
Provence with
Yes.
Gilles. My name is Gilles.
Gilles. How do
Okay.
you spell it?
Jallas.
Okay. Gilles. Okay.
Jallas. Okay.
And will I be famous with you?
Yes.
Or you are still famous?
Ah.
see.
Yes.
Family business.
Yeah, it's a family business.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. We stumbled into this restaurant in France that's actually a Yes, a working cinema, actually. And this is the lobby / restaurant. Look at popcorn. And it's got the whole cinema theme, which is really great. Wow. Yeah, before all the movie starts is what he was saying.
Yeah.
All right, okay, let's order.
That's what he was saying.
Yeah. Boy, which one was that one? That was so good. Stewy thought this was a
I
candle
thought it
at
was a
first,
candle, so I was opening it.
Looks like it.
but it's
You
actually
gotta be really careful because
it's salt thing. And we just ordered pizza, and Mark and Robin got what kind? Which one? Neapolitan.
Neapolitan, yes.
And we got the romaine.
Romaine is called. So
Yeah.
it's got ham on it.
Yes. Okay, and beer. So it seems like from our episodes, we eat a lot of pizza and drink a lot of beer.
This right here is something you don't have in the U.S. It's called chili oil for your pizza, and it's fantastic. Better than the red peppers that we put on.
With this hot pizza oil, and it is really good. So here we go. And guess what? It gets too hot. My